Have you ever looked in the mirror and seen something that wasn't there yesterday? A dark patch, a spot, a shadow on your skin that just appeared. I did. And it didn't go away. Doctors called it melasma. Expensive creams made it worse. But what if I told you the answer wasn't in a pharmacy? It was hiding in your kitchen. I didn't know what melasma was until I got it. It started with a faint shadow on my cheek. I thought it was just hyperpigmentation or sun damage. But then it spread. Slowly, then suddenly. A brown patch here. A darker line across my upper lip. People asked if I had a bruise. I tried to ignore it until I couldn't anymore. I searched online. How to treat melasma? How to treat dark spots and patches on skin? The answers? Expensive chemical peels, harsh bleaching creams, prescription meds, and side effects? Plenty. I wanted something gentle, natural, something that healed, not harmed. So I turned to nature. The first thing I tried? Aloe Vera. I scooped out the gel and applied it every night before bed. It cooled my skin, reduced the redness, and slowly, ever so slowly, started to fade the patch. I did it religiously for 2 weeks. Tip: only use the inner gel, never the yellow latex part. That can irritate skin. I paired it with sunscreen every single morning, even indoors. Trust me, sunlight makes melasma worse. After 14 days, I noticed it. A slight glow, a softness, a real change. Number 1, apple cider vinegar, ACV Toning Spray. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water. Spray it on after cleansing. Leave it for 5 minutes, then rinse. It tightens the skin, balances pH, and gently lightens spots. But be careful. Always patch test first. Number 2, Turmeric Honey Mask. Turmeric is a natural skin brightener, but only a pinch or you'll turn yellow. Mix with raw honey and a drop of lemon. Apply for 10 minutes. Number 3, green tea ice cubes. Yes, ice. I brewed strong green tea, froze it, and rubbed a cube over the patch every morning. Anti-inflammatory, brightening, and so refreshing. Number 4, potato juice dab. It sounds strange, but potato juice contains natural enzymes that target pigmentation. Slice, dab, repeat daily. Morning routine: cleanse with mild rice water wash, tone with diluted ACV, spot dab with potato juice, moisturize with aloe. Apply mineral sunscreen, zinc oxide. Consistency is everything. Night routine: remove makeup, if any, with jojoba oil. Gentle cleanse: aloe mask or turmeric honey blend. ice cube massage, moisturize with rose hip or vitamin E oil. I did this every single day. And the results? Let me show you. Let's talk about the emotional side of melasma. I used to avoid sunlight, cancel plans, even filter my face on video calls. It crushed my confidence. But once I took control, naturally, I felt empowered. There's something powerful about healing yourself using what nature provides. Don't scrub melasma. It'll spread. Don't try lemon juice directly on skin. It burns. Don't skip sunscreen. Ever. Don't expect overnight miracles. Natural healing takes time. I asked my audience what they use to treat dark patches naturally. Here's what they shared. Licorice root extract, fades spots gently, niacinamide serum 5%, balances melanin production, papaya enzyme mask, gently exfoliates dead skin. Some swore by crushed strawberries, others by sandalwood paste. Everyone's skin is different, but when we share, we learn together. It took me 90 days, not 9, not 30. 90 days of consistent, natural care to see my skin start to return to balance. Not perfect, not flawless, but clear enough that I could see myself again. If I could go back, I'd tell myself, it's not your fault. You didn't do anything wrong, and you don't have to burn or bleach your skin to fix it. Nature works, if you trust it long enough to see it through. So, if you're struggling with melasma, or dark spots, or uneven skin tone, start small. Be consistent. Protect your skin. And remember, sometimes the cure you're searching for is already in your home. If this helped you, share it with someone who's struggling. Comment below what remedies worked for you. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're just getting started on this natural healing journey.